Roasted, roasted, roasted. You got roasted, cause I'm roasting them lolcows, and it feels so good. Roasting and toasting bullies. I love roasting and toasting bullies. It feels so good, roasting and toasting. I love roasting and toasting bullies cause they be scared, cowering me. Me, don't play with me, boy, cause I'll ruin you and roast you. It will be fun. It's fun to roast and toast some insecure crybaby bullies. Why? Cause they wish they were like me. These lolcow bullies need to be humbled, cause you'll never be at my level, cause I'm the champion, the king of the roost. I'll be roasting some crybaby bullies. They are scared of me. You better be scared of me, cause I'm coming to roast. Cause I'm king of the roost, roosting and roasting some crybaby insecure bullies. I'm king of the roost. I'm king of the roost. Are you scared yet, crybaby bully? You should be. Cause I get more women than you ever will have. Women keep coming to me cause I make them gush with beautiful gushing them out. Beautiful feeling. Do me a favor and 10 the fries out of McDonald's and say to me, would you like some fries with that?